So we're seeing a water monitor pick up an egg. And he's trying to crack it right now. He's trying to eat it. He cracked it. Oh, great timing.
You cracked it.
Yep.
Well done.
Good job, boy. That's the coolest thing I've ever seen.
I'll take that.
A water monitor.
Sleeping lions any day.
Yeah.
That was something extraordinary.
Just beautiful sightings, big and small. Like they don't have to be the big five.
No, absolutely.
You know?
I agree with you there, 100%.
To see some really cool stuff at work.
Besides, everyone's used to the big five, but how many people get to see things like that?
Right? Do you know what kind of egg that was?
I have no idea. Well, it's a bird egg, but I don't know what bird.